Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming what you already know: username, phone, and device. Use a trusted browser where you've signed in before. This reduces verification friction. Once there, go directly to the provider's account or recovery page and choose Forgot Email or Account Recovery. Enter your username or phone when prompted. This lets the system look up linked recovery contacts. Make sure to accept prompts for device recognition so the provider can verify you faster and show recovery options. Once the provider displays recovery methods, read the masked email or number carefully. You'll see fragments like J******D*****, COM or ****1234, which help identify the recovery email. Choose the method you control and request a verification code. If asked, approve sign-in on your trusted device or copy the code sent by SMS or secondary email. This proves ownership. If multiple options appear, pick the one you can access. You'll finish by entering the verification code and signing into the account. Once in, go straight to security or account settings and replace the recovery email with one you actively monitor. Make sure to enable two-step verification for future safety. If you don't receive codes or the masked contact is unknown, try alternate verification methods or approve sign-in prompts. If that fails, contact provider support and provide account creation details. This manual review can restore access when automated recovery cannot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.